Good morning. Do you know we have fun with Science Day today? We are going to do many activities based on properties of air. Now, what is air? Air is the mixture of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and pollutants. What are the uses of air? We need air to breathe and burn fire. We need air to sail our boat, fly aeroplanes, fly kites, and dry our clothes, and even for the waves to happen in sea and move the blades of the windmill. Let's do some experiments to find air has weight. Activity 1. We need two balloons, thread, and a stick.
Take two balloons of the same size. Blow both the balloons equally. Tie the balloons on the two sides of a stick. Tie a thread in the center of the stick and hold it. Try to balance the balloon by moving them along the stick. Now puncture one of the balloons so that air moves out. You will find that the balloons are not balanced anymore. The balloon with air is heavier than the deflated balloon. This activity shows that air has weight.
The next activity tells that air occupies space. Do you know? Air takes the shape of the container in which it is present. For this, you need an empty glass, a tissue paper, and a jar filled with water. Take a tissue paper and hold it and put it in an empty glass. Now turn the glass upside down and put in a jar filled with water. You can feel the pressure on your hand. Remove the glass from the jar and you will observe the tissue paper inside the glass is totally dry. Third activity is on air exerts pressure. For this, you need a glass filled with water, a drawing sheet, a picture postcard. Take the picture postcard and put it on the glass filled with water. Now, turn the glass upside down by holding the picture postcard. You will observe the water will not drop. This is because the air underneath exerts pressure. Now the next activity is also based on the same property of air exerts pressure. For this you need an empty plastic bottle, a straw, an empty glass and a balloon. Let's start. Take the bottle and with the help of an adult or elder at home, make a hole like this and insert the straw in it. Bend the straw at the other end and fill the bottle with water. Now place the empty glass at the opened end of the straw. Take a balloon and inflate it or blow air into it. Now twist the balloon so that the air does not escape and place the balloon on the mouth of the bottle. You will observe the air inside the balloon will exert pressure and the water will be pumped out. The last activity that we are going to do is with a closed bottle filled with water and few boat pins. Yes, we are going to make the water sprinkler. You can use that to water the plants or even wash the leaves of the potted plants. Let's watch Rob from Mad Show, which was once telecasted on Disney.
Magic is just science with a prankster hat on. For our next prank, science plays a very important role. But before we get into the science of this, let's learn how to make it. And to make it, you need this. To make a bottled water sprinkle splotter, first you need to learn how to say it properly. Then you need a bottle of water right here. Now we need to convert this into a sprinkler. For that I'm going to use a mighty pin and make some holes in this. So before that, let's get a plate so that the water doesn't sprinkle everywhere. Now to make the holes, you have to keep in mind a simple technique. First you flip the bottle, keep it upside down like this, and now you'll see there's an air bubble right here. If I move it, you can see it clearly. Now we'll center the air bubble like this so that the air is trapped evenly all around the bottle. And now we'll take the pin and just pierce it and make a hole. If you want, you can use the same pin to make more holes, or you can take some more pins and just put them in place so that you know where your holes are. Okay, so you can see that I have made few holes at the bottom of this bottle. Now we'll turn this and we'll take out the pins. And when I take out the pins, the water will not come out of the bottle. That's right, watch. You have to do this very carefully and very gently. And besides few drops of water, you can see that the water is not really leaking out of the bottle. Science plays a really important role here. Like I told you earlier, the air pressure outside is more than the air pressure inside the bottle. So it doesn't let the water come out. It forces the water to stay in. But when someone cracks open the seal of the bottle or opens the bottle, the air starts moving in, pushing the water out of all the holes. And your prank works. So now what you have to do is place this water bottle gently somewhere and wait for the prank to happen. I'll show you what happens when someone opens the bottle. Watch this. So we have a tub here. And here we go. And the sprinkler is on. So now you can see, as soon as I open the bottle, the air starts moving in and the water starts coming out. But if I put the cap back, the water stops. And if I open it, back on. You see that? How science helps us play this prank. So following this simple technique, you can make one and pull a great prank on someone. Just remember, you need to keep an innocent face. Are you thirsty? Yeah, sure, I have water. I can share with you. Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Now you can choose any 2 activities and do those under the supervision of your parent and send the video with 1 or 2 sentences about it or picture to your teacher on your activity group. Enjoy doing the experiments. Discover the scientist in you. Thank you.